Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this. Oh yeah, bicycle repair stand. 50 kilogram and it's foldable. 50 kilogram bikes can be handled there. It's a robust mounting stand with a 360 degrees rotatable clamp. Height adjustable from 94 up to 157 centimeter. We have here a magnetic tool and tray enclosed. It is for mountain bike, for road bike, and of course for pedelecs. It's made of reinforced steel tube with a stable triangular structure. Because this repair stand carries bicycles, mountain bikes, and of course pedelecs up to 50 kilograms. This is either for workshop, for garage, or for the home use, with a maximum of stability during any maintenance jobs. The adjustable clamp rotates at 360 degrees and is suitable for a frame with a diameter of 25 up to 80 millimeter. Thanks to the quick release lever, the bike can be securely fixed and aligned in seconds for the best working angle. And with a working height of 94 centimeter, you can adjust it up to 157 centimeter. The mounting stand allows the bag-friendly work, perfect for hobby mechanism and professionals who want to work comfortable and effortlessly on their bike maintenance. Everyone wants, so get such a stand. Particularly straight with a magnetic surface for safe storage and screws, nuts and tools. Never again lost small parts. We keep our workbench tidy and saves the time while we are working. And it can be quickly folded and stored in a space-saving manner. Includes a non-slip mechanism, gloves to protect our hands during the change or cleaning. And the tire change or lubrication works, of course. So you see, this here is really nice stuff. And it works really good, huh? We have an effortless repairs, precision support. Whatever for home repairs or professional maintenance, this stand has adjustable bracket and a sturdy support that provide a maximum stability and a comfortable workspace. An indispensable maintenance tool for every cycle enthusiast. The combination of the 360 degrees adjustable design and a quick release handle allows the angle of the bike to be adjusted by a 360 rotatable clamp, which ensures an optimal viewing angle during the work. And you can work if it is necessary upside down. Really cool feature, I think. So you can easy peasy use this, and all is in the box what we need for this. A nice tool holder is included. Everything is there, and this on a small area where we have to operate with such a device. Because here it comes, the BOODPET bicycle repair stand. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.